Hey yo, what is up YouTube fam? Your boy is back on the grind one more time and whew, I've been busy on the go today, but I am dedicated to get you some footage today. If you haven't checked out my previous video in regards to, I think the title on the thumbnail says performance parts and some dress up parts as well, or dress up pieces, go check that out because I did an original upload that I actually set to private so nobody can see it now because I uploaded the wrong video. I uploaded the raw content where there was like no editing, and I left out a lot of information that I had put in the new video. So there's a new video up, pretty much the same title. It says revised video, and a big thank you as I thanked everybody for something. So you got to go check out the previous video. So definitely go check that out. If you already watched it and gave it a like the first time it came up, just go back and check it out again, you guys, because I definitely want you guys to check it out and see some of the content that you might have missed. And there's some additional pictures and footage at the end of the video as well. So definitely check that out. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, all that good stuff, you guys. This video is in regards to this right here. It is my Dakota digital dash that I don't think I ever talked about. I've had it for quite some time, and I got it from Steve Davis. Shout out to Steve Davis for this. And I want to go ahead and open it up. I actually opened it up already, but I want to do kind of an unboxing with you guys, kind of see the vibe that I'm going for the inside. I'm not really changing too much as far as the dash goes, but it's going to give a lot of 2021, 2022 modern day touch to the build and to the dash and to the inside. It's going to look really nice in there, you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up and we'll check it out. All right, you guys, so pardon the house shoes and me being stuck in a corner here. I have a tarp over here that's drying, and that's taking up most of the garage here. So I'm trying to let it dry because it was outside and it's cold and wet here right now. So I'm trying to let it dry so I can fold it up and store it. But so we're kind of stuck on the corner here of my garage, but here it is right here. What is the part number on this one? Looks like the part number on this one is RTX-70C-MAL-X. And RTX, I think it stands for retro, or the R is for retro. So this is the retro Dakota digital dash that has similarities and a similar look to the old school Chevelle dash. It gives it, modern touches and all the amenities and things like that that the new Dakota digital dashes offer for all the old school vehicles nowadays. But it still kind of gives it that old school retro vibe. And again, shout out to Steve Davis for this. We got this a long time ago. It was actually back ordered for quite some time, but then I put my order in. I actually got it earlier than anticipated. So I've only actually looked at it once. But here it is right here, packaged really good. It has all your, and I don't want to take all this out, but yeah, maybe I will. So it has all of your hardware and I don't even know what this thing is called, but I guess this is kind of the brains of it all. All your hardware fittings and all that good stuff to make it work. Looks like it has some additional wires and things like that as well. Not sure what this is. Directions, and I'm not sure. I just meant I'm not sure what the wiring and stuff like that is. So, but yeah, all the instructions for it and everything. From what I've heard, it's actually a pretty simple process. Just probably a little bit time consuming, but fairly straightforward to get it installed. I shouldn't have any problem doing it, really. I say that now, so I hope I don't jinx myself. But yeah, this video probably won't be too long, but it's just a good video to kind of show you guys what this setup looks like. And I've seen it in a few cars, but I haven't really seen it advertised on YouTube a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and check this thing out. Woo, man, you guys get in the comments right now, and let me know what you guys think of this thing, man. Woo-wee. Man, check this thing out, you guys. Check it out. Man, that thing's gonna look nice in there. So I'm assuming all this lights up. I'm not exactly sure what these are right here. They're probably some sort of like oil and temperature gauges, I would imagine. Well, I guess that's your temperature gauge, so I'm not exactly sure what that is. RPM, fuel, and obviously your tach, man. That looks super, super dope. Very well made. Definitely has some weight to it, but I am excited to get this thing in there, you guys. Oh man, this thing's gonna look super dope in the Chevelle. So again, I'm just going for that kind of like that old school vibe, but just a new school feel. The dash and everything's gonna remain the same. I'll probably put a modern deck, a stereo deck in there. I actually have a Billet Specialties steering wheel that I'll probably show at some time as well. And then I have a TCI floor pistol grip shifter with the original console. And then I have the BMW seats, man. Man, this thing is gonna look great and complement everything inside of the car. So, woo-wee. Let me go ahead and put this back in it so it doesn't get all scratched up or anything like that. So yeah, you guys, here's the directions and everything there, the manual for it. I'm not exactly sure what all this stuff is. It's probably just some obviously some wiring that you have to hook up maybe to run to your different sensors and all that different kind of stuff. So gives you their online support and all that as well. So I heard they're actually fairly easy to install, and per Steve Davis, you know, he's installed a fair amount of these, so I'm pretty sure he probably has them down packed, and there's probably some sort of process to kind of that he probably has down to kind of make it all streamlined and make it go faster. But all your fittings, looks like you might have your oil pressure, your temp. I'm not exactly sure what this other stuff is. Like I said, it's probably the brains of it all. Another little wiring harness. What else is in here? Looks like some sort of book. I don't know what that is. I'll leave that out. But other than that, I think that's all. Oh, something else in here. Oh, another book. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, I just wanted to show you at least something on the interior. We've been working on exterior stuff for quite some time. And the only thing on the interior that I think I've ever showed you guys is I think I did a video restoration of my dash, and then just of the door panels and the rear deck that the Griffin brothers made for me. And then obviously my kick panels as well just recently. But I wanted to at least show you something that I got. I've been stockpiling parts, you guys, like crazy, and I have a lot of things just kind of sitting around. So I thought now that we are kind of getting closer to getting the car back, I can kind of start showing you guys some of these things that I have, some of these parts that I've been holding on for quite some time, and some of these new parts that are coming in, because there's more parts coming in for sure. So this video is not very long. I just wanted to get you some content over the Thanksgiving holiday, and by the time you guys see this, I will probably have gotten more parts in by that time. So you guys stay tuned, because there's more to come. If you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing. I'm restoring a 71 Chevelle pretty much from the ground up. I didn't do the frame. The previous owner did the frame before me. It's not powder coated. It's just taken off, cleaned, and painted. And it's just a Chevelle frame with two other Chevelle bodies put together to make one. And then once I got it, I totally restored it, flipped it to what it is now. And it's gonna be a showstopper. It's gonna be a showstopper for sure. You know, a nice, tasteful build, but something a little bit different. So anyways, definitely think about subscribing, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, eat good, and then watch YouTube videos, watch all my videos, you guys. Hit like, comment, all that good stuff. I'm about to be out of here. Deuces, peace out.